Morning. Huh? Yes, ma'am. Good Friday. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and happy Good Friday. It is about 7:30. I got me a follow-up appointment I have to go to, but after I leave there, I'm gonna head over to the muffler shop and get these mufflers deleted off the cat. My sister did the mid pipe, pause, no diddy. She took those off, but I feel like it should be a little bit louder. So, about to crank this bitch up, get it nice and warm with a cold start, head over to my appointment, then head over to the muffler shop. Still haven't gotten my lip back yet, but should be here soon. That's the cold start. Let that bit warm up for a little bit and head out. All good. About to head to the muffler shop now. Should need tires and an alignment. Damn truck cleaning up all these motherfucking rocks. Away. I mean, that bit sound good with the mid tubes deleted, but I'm gonna keep the mufflers just in case I want to put them holes back. Popping though, bro. I like this car, bro. It's just fun, bro. Now I see why bitches be doing what they doing. I still don't condone it though. I do not condone that sliding takeover bullshit. You hear me? That bitch messing up the whole goddamn community, dog. On God, I don't like it. I don't like it. I do not condone it. If you do it, don't follow me. Right here. Yeah. Yo. I'm pulling. Pause. No diddy. off. Cuz probably gonna slap those on. See, my sister, she already did the mid pipe, the lead pause, no diddy. That's water, okay, I'm about to say. Muscle, yeah. Muscle on them. Oh boy. Yeah man, things on proper, yes. Let me get home before I get pulled over. Alright, so it is the next day. Car is nice and cold. So let me give you a cold start of how the car sounds now with no mid tubes and no mufflers. And that's it. That bitch sound good. I like it. I don't care if you like it, but I like it. That bitch sound good to me. But yes, sir. The future plans would be to get a full exhaust, like long tube exhaust headers, cat, delete, straight back, like 3.5, 4 inch. I don't know. I gotta do my research. I gotta do my research on these cars and see the do's and the don'ts. You know, it ain't no Honda. You know, K series is 3 inch. Like, we all know that. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know what these cars really take. I know they make power easy, so I just gotta do my research and learn more about like the whole Mopar thing. But next video is gonna be lowering it. I already ordered the drop springs. I'm gonna bring them to my homeboy shop, and we're gonna lower this thing, and I'll get an alignment and get some new tires. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.